Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Fun Blocks JJs, the only way to unlock its full potential. We'll begin by understanding what Fun Blocks JJs is and why it's an excellent tool for visual programming. This system simplifies JavaScript, making coding intuitive and engaging for everyone. You'll learn how to leverage its unique interface to create powerful applications with ease, transforming abstract code into tangible, interactive projects. Let's dive in and explore this exciting platform together. To get started, first download the Fun Blocks JJs application, which is typically a file of about 50 megabytes. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the simple, step-by-step instructions. The installation process usually takes less than 2 minutes. After successful installation, launch the application. You'll be greeted by the intuitive workspace, ready for your first project. Make sure your computer has at least 4 gigabytes of RAM for the best experience. Now, let's build something. On the left, you'll find the toolbox containing hundreds of pre-built blocks. Simply drag your desired blocks, such as a print message or variable assignment block, onto the main canvas. Connect them by aligning their puzzle piece edges. A satisfying click confirms the connection. Remember to input any necessary values, like text for a message or a number for a calculation, directly into the blocks fields. This visual method makes complex logic clear. After assembling your blocks, it's time to see your creation in action. Locate the prominent Run button, often a green triangle, and click it. Your program will execute, and any output, like messages or calculation results, will appear in the console window below. If something isn't working as expected, use the step-by-step debugger. This allows you to watch your code run one block at a time, making it much easier to pinpoint and fix any logical errors or incorrect connections. Happy coding!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.